Thanks very much, Russell. All right, so good morning, folks. Can I just get a quick show of hands? How many people here are currently using any HPE products in their data center? All right, we got a bunch of newbies here today. So what we want to do is we're going to talk about what we're doing at HPE for infrastructure for SAP HANA. Now, before I begin with that,
That works. It's supposed to work.
yeah, the clicker,
It worked last time. If not, hit
the arrow key.
There we go.
I just want to start with a number here. Over 23,000. That number is representing the number of server deployments HPE has for SAP HANA. And to show you what that really means, I'd like to show you what Gartner is saying. So in a recent report from Gartner, 2018, HPE has the largest market share for SAP HANA servers worldwide. And not just like a little bit the largest market share. We have single-handedly the largest market share than the next two competitors combined. Now, the reason why I'm sharing this with you is not just because we're really proud of that number. It's a great number. But when it comes to why HPE is a great choice for running your SAP HANA, it comes down to three key things. Our experience in this marketplace, the infrastructure that we have available and the technology we've innovated in, and the services we provide to help you get going. So when it comes to experience, here's a few other numbers for you. Thousands of customers running on SAP HANA, over 23,000 servers deployed. We've got a very large footprint, but that size and scale is not limited to just the number of servers we put out there. We also have some of the world's largest SAP HANA in production. And that's just not us looking at what we do for our customers. When we look at what we're also doing, we are one of SAP's largest customers, our own data centers. So you can listen to Dave Carlisle later on talk about our own journey to SAP HANA within HPE. So large market share, innovation, awards, all of this translates to an experience with over 29 years working with SAP. And that experience translates to the technology that we can deliver to your data center. So when you look at your journey to SAP HANA, there's a number of factors that you need to consider. What kind of performance do you need to deliver on the business applications? What scale are you looking at? What kind of availability do you need? Is it a mission-critical system? What kind of flexibility do you need? And of course, matching that all to a total cost of ownership. And we look at the different use cases. Are you working with business warehouse? Are you doing real-time analytics? Are you running applications, S4 HANA? What is it that you're doing? And what kind of size are you looking at? When we talk about size, you've got to understand what your current database needs are, but also where your future database needs are. And this is where it comes to being able to quickly scale up and scale out in your infrastructure to keep up with the growing demands of your business on your SAP HANA solutions. And also if you're going to be considering a consolidation effort where those needs will continuously change. And what kind of environment are you looking at? So just a quick show of hands. How many people are looking at an on-premise type solution? How many people are looking at hybrid, on-premise and cloud mixed? And how many people are looking at full cloud? How many people aren't sure yet? There's a few hands that didn't go up at all, so I'm going to put you in the not sure category. And finally, what kind of deployment model are you looking at? And these are the different ways that we can deliver either high flexibility or a complete solution experience to you. So what do we offer for infrastructure at HPE? Well, we offer a number of solutions from our mission-critical line, everything from the DL380 to the DL560 to our converged systems appliances and the brand new Superdome Flex. Everything from 2-socket to 48-socket type servers. And we also have storage, our award-winning 3-PAR storage and additional storage options available to you. And our new composable infrastructure, highly flexible, software-driven composable infrastructure with the Synergy line. But what I want to do is I want to drill down about our new Superdome Flex just a little bit and show you what these years of experience and great expertise and relationships with our customers have driven us to. We have a server here that's the new Superdome Flex, from 4 to 32 sockets in a single system, up to 48 terabytes of shared memory in a single scale-up node. This also supports scale-out configurations, proven 5 nines availability. But what's really nice about this is this idea of being able to have these modular growth nodes, starting with a 4-socket box You can add 4 socket increments all in the same scale-up node by just adding more boxes to your frame, wiring it right up, and it just works as it's supposed to. And when we're looking at specifically the SAP HANA implementation, right now with the certification, 16 sockets, 12 terabytes in a single scale-up node. That's a single scale-up node with that available memory. We can also scale that out to much larger sizes. And because the server itself goes to 32 sockets and 48, we're growing our certifications with SAP HANA every day. So if you have a larger scale-up need, let us know. We're likely to have those certifications available. And it's not just about the hardware. We also have some additional rich solutions we make available to you in the solutions that we built for our customers around security, continuity, and data protection, and our expertise in services. We have a number of what we call reference architectures. We have solutions around big data using partnerships with Vora, Hortonworks, virtualizations with VMware, rapid provisioning with our own Synergy image streamer, and more. And there's dozens upon dozens of these reference architectures. These are lab-proven, we-built-it solutions that we can give as a recipe to help you achieve the same results that we did, and we can support those. When it comes to security, we also have our workload-aware security for Linux or Vasil product. This is a software solution that looks at not just the operating system, but also SAP HANA, and provides an assessment and mitigation to harden your system in minutes in what usually takes days to do it in a manual way. And for continuity and protection, we have our own Service Guard solution. This is a software solution that automates the failover and recovery aspects of your disaster tolerance. We also have our 3-part storage and store once solutions that provide additional backup and protection. And when it comes to services, our own Point Next and our Center of Excellence, these are proven field engineers who are very skilled in SAP HANA. The Center of Excellence is a support center, very skilled in SAP HANA. We have the most skilled engineers in SAP HANA outside of SAP in the market. And that's when it comes to services, we're here to help you everywhere in the journey. So we're not just going to drop a box at your door. We've got solutions, we've got an understanding of how to build those high availability, make sure that data is protected and secure, make sure that this is working in your enterprise, make sure it can grow with you. So we have services that help you get ready for SAP HANA, get you started on your journey. If you're already working on your journey, we've got services that get you into production and get those systems up and running, including those reference architectures and bringing in our partner solutions. And we also keep you running every day, optimizing and growing with our 7x24 support, our SAP-specific Center of Excellence, and additional support services throughout HPE. And all of that, again, is backed by our partner excellence and our 29 years of experience working with SAP. So if you want to discuss the journey for SAP, the first thing I encourage you to do is go take a look at that Gartner report. If anybody wants a copy of that Gartner report, you can come by the HPE booth. We'll scan your badge and send it out to you. And thank you. Does anybody have any questions about what I've covered here today? I get real nervous when there's no questions, so quick show of hands. Because when there's no questions, I either made perfect sense and you got it all, or it made no sense at all and you have no idea what to ask. So just show of hands. Did I make sense? Sound good? Excellent. Thank you very much for coming out today.